The Faucher Taylor, Maria Fernanda Marin Montilla. My predictions are Bogota will run out of water in a few years. Bogota will have a metro system by 2031. Thousands of frailejones will be planted in the mall. Colombia will become a leading export. The Nevado del Ruiz will erupt in 2016. Colombia will have a woman president for the first time. Latin America will become the third largest emerging economy. Colombia will bore a canal connecting the Pacific Ocean with the Atlantic through the Atrato River. China will consolidate itself as the world's leading power. The USA will have a great economic crisis due to the measures of its current government. Thank you for your attention.